Welcome to the Vidya daan program. This video will guide you on simple steps that enable you to contribute towards projects on Vidya daan. Here is how you can become a contributor. Post registration, you can nominate against a project. Your nomination will be then reviewed. If you are shortlisted, you can begin your contribution on Vidya daan. Kindly glance through the open projects for the contribution on Vidya daan. If you have e-learning content relevant to any of these projects, you can click on Nominate to contribute to get started. Step 1 is to enroll yourself as a contributor. Here is how you can do it. If you have an existing Gmail account, click on Login with Google or click on Register here if you don't have a Gmail account. Kindly fill out your basic information like your full name, your mobile number, email ID, and set your password. You will then receive a one-time password on your registered mobile number or email ID that you have provided. Use that to complete the verification. Then you can log in using your registered email or mobile number and password that you have set. We hope you are clear so far. If you have an existing Gmail account, here is how. Enter your Gmail ID and click Next. Kindly enter your password and click on Next to proceed further. Wait as your platform loads. In the next step, you can choose the type of contributor you are, an individual contributor or an organization. If you are an individual contributor, go through the terms of use and accept them. Submit to become an individual contributor. Or, if you are an organization contributor, kindly note that you must be an authority official representing an organization and want to enroll your organization. For example, if you are a principal of a school and want to enroll your school for contribution, kindly enter the following details: name of the organization, description, organization website. Kindly go through the terms of use, privacy policy, content policy. Click Submit to proceed. Your enrollment is successfully completed. Once enrollment is completed, hit the Click here to get started icon to know how to nominate your interested project.